In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printers under $200 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality 8K 3D Printer. The SainSmart HALOT MAGE Pro is an advanced 3D resin printer that combines high speed and quality for impressive results. With a remarkable printing speed of 170 mm per hour, 3 to 5 times faster than its competitors, it features a 10.3-inch 8K monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 29.7 micrometers, providing unparalleled detail and a larger viewing area for model design verification. Its innovative smart resin pump automates the resin fill and withdrawal process, significantly reducing manual handling time, while a powerful air purifier with a large carbon filter efficiently minimizes resin odors, contributing to a safer working environment. The printer ensures consistent quality through its integral light source 3.0, achieving over 90% light uniformity and fast curing capabilities. Additionally, the user-friendly design includes a convenient flip lid and an intuitive slicer software, HALOT Box, along with a 1-year VIP subscription to ChichiBox Pro, enhancing the overall printing experience. Suitable for laptops and personal computers, this printer is a formidable choice for those looking to elevate their 3D printing capabilities. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is a high-performance 3D printer designed for efficiency and ease of use, featuring a robust all-metal construction and compact dimensions of 20-inch dx8, wx15h. This printer boasts an impressive maximum printing speed of 250 mm per second and utilizes a powerful, Sprite, direct extruder, ensuring smooth filament handling and compatibility with various materials such as PLA, TPU, and PETG. Enhanced stability is achieved through its dual Z-axis and Y-axis linear shafts, minimizing wobbling and ensuring printing precision. The printer also incorporates advanced technology like CR Touch auto leveling, making the setup hassle-free, along with an auto filament loading and unloading feature for user convenience. With a straightforward assembly process that takes less than 20 minutes and a 12-month support service from Creality, the Ender 3v3 SE is ideal for both beginners and experienced users looking for reliable and efficient 3D printing solutions. Number 3. Creality Ender 3 Max Neo. The Creality Ender 3 Max Neo is a robust 3D printer designed for larger projects, featuring an impressive build volume of 300 by 300 by 320 mm, which allows users to print substantial models or multiple smaller pieces simultaneously, enhancing creative possibilities and efficiency. This printer is equipped with CR Touch automatic leveling, which simplifies the leveling process by measuring and adjusting the print height across 25 points on the heated bed. Its high-precision dual Z-axis system ensures stability and precision in printing, minimizing common issues such as deviation and unwanted surface artifacts. Constructed with a full metal extruder, it boasts greater durability and smooth filament feeding, while a cutting-edge 32-bit silent mainboard keeps operational noise levels below 50 dB, ensuring a quieter printing experience. Additional features include a reliable 350W power supply with power loss recovery capabilities, which allows prints to resume from where they left off after interruptions, along with a filament sensor that prevents waste and improves the overall success rate of prints. Number 4. Creality HALOT MAGE Pro. The Creality HALOT MAGE Pro is a high-performance resin 3D printer designed for speed and quality, featuring a striking orange metal exterior with dimensions of 10.63-inch dx 13.11, wx 23.94h and a weight of 15.8 kilograms. Capable of reaching a maximum printing speed of 170 mm per hour, 3 to 5 times faster than traditional resin printers, its advanced Dynax motion system optimizes speed and accuracy by adjusting the build plate in just 1.2 seconds. This printer competes with 12K models, providing over 90% irradiance uniformity and an impressive build volume of 228 by 128 by 230 mm. It boasts the upgraded Creality Integral Light Source 3.0, delivering high light intensity, 8000 W/cm², for rapid layer curing, alongside a smart resin pump for automated filling and recycling, reducing manual intervention. Additionally, it features an activated carbon filter to maintain an odor-free printing environment and improve heat dissipation, making it a user-friendly option for creators seeking enhanced performance in their 3D printing projects. Number 5. Phrozen Sonic 8K 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mighty series offers advanced 3D printing solutions, featuring the Mighty 4K starting at $349.99 and the Mighty 8K from $599.99, alongside the Mighty Revo 14K with options starting at $703.09. Designed for optimal performance, the Sonic Mighty 8K delivers exceptional 8K resolution at 28 mm, enabling detailed and sharp prints while maintaining a footprint similar to standard compact printers, making it easy to fit in any workspace. This model includes a durable 10-inch LCD screen, solid dual linear rails, and a thick T-plate for stability, significantly reducing wobbling and layer lines during printing. To enhance user experience, the Phrozen Geo app allows remote control and management of multiple printers, ensuring efficient operation.